It's a beautiful day in Southwest Florida. We are Southwest Florida strong. I want to take a moment to share some very important information with you if you're interested in buying property in Lee County in Southwest Florida. Because Lee County has been designated a disaster area, some lenders are now allowed to offer FHA loans with a $0 down payment. In addition to the FHA $0 down opportunity, lenders can also offer a renovation purchase loan for homes that are in need of repairs. This is really important. Although there are homes that sustained significant damage during Hurricane Ian in Southwest Florida, there are many homes that need only minor repairs with damages such as missing roof shingles, torn pool cage screens, and damaged gutters. Minor repairs. If you're not currently working with an agent, let me help you with your home buying process. As your agent, I will research and disclose to you any and all damages that I'm made aware of to properties that you are interested in. I will send you an updated seller's disclosure list provided by the homeowner, and I will find out if there is an insurance claim that has been filed and what the status of that claim is. If a single-family home residential listing is currently not habitable, it will be noted on the listing in the MLS. And if a rental listing is currently not habitable, it's likely going to be terminated from the MLS database. If you're not local, as your agent, I will visit and tour the property and send you a detailed video of the home. Let me represent you and be your eyes and ears and your boots on the ground. If you are interested, please reach out to me for a list of lenders that are offering the $0 down payment FHA loan and are also available to help you with your pre-qualification process. I can send you a list of homes currently on the market for sale or lease. If you're not currently working with an agent, I'm happy to help you navigate the process. My cell phone number is 317-281-7479. Or feel free to email me at laurasmcferrin@gmail.com. You will also find more information on my website, brentandlaura.com. Let me show you why I love living in Cape Coral, Florida, and why you will too. Love where you live and live where everyone else vacations. We are Southwest Florida strong.